Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to learn and write months of name English and Assamese. There are 12 months in a year. So let's learn. Number 1, January. J A N U A R Y. January. January. Number 2, February. F E B R U A R Y. February. February. Number 3, March. M-A-R-C-H. March. Number 4, April. A-P-R-I-L. April. April. Number 5, May. M-A-Y. Number 6, June. J-U-N-E. June. Number 7, July. J-U-L-Y. July. July. Number 8, August. A-U-G-U-S-T. August. Number 9, September. S-E-P-T-E-M-B-E-R. September. Number 10, October. O-C-T-O-B-E-R. October. October. Number 11, November. N-O-V-E-M-B-E-R. November. November. Number 12, December. D-E-C-E-M-B-E-R. December. 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 Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye.